Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
So for less than 6 months, for the age less than 6 months, the medical criteria of admission. The admission criteria include for less than 6 months of age. The admission criteria are any pitting edema, ineffective feeding, any serious condition for more than 6 months requiring admission, recent weight loss and failure to gain weight, or any medical or social issue. For more than 6 months, the admission criteria is presence of severe edema, lack of appetite, complications, danger signs like convulsions, history of convulsions, repeat vomitings, inability to drink, and unconsciousness. Home management or management of acute severe malnutrition.
thank you and thank you for watching.